let's take a look at what we got here. Some of these cheap dental tools off eBay. Ow. I guess I don't know how to use a cheap dental tool. Oh yeah, that is really super hard. Really hard. Let's see if we can... Oh, look at that. You see that? That's a sure sign. You see how that just cracking out of there? Look at that. That is not right. So we're going to go in here and kind of ream that out a little bit. Who knows? This might be original gasket material in here. Yep, that's no good. And we've got our new one made out of DuPont Viton. We'll just take a matchstick here. And we'll just poke this down in there, working it in. Matchstick's not going to hurt the threads. Alright, there we are. Let's screw this down on here. Now this is the wrong stove, but yeah, there we go. So now I'm going to put this back where it belongs. See, this one, it's a little worn, but it's still springy. When you screw it down, it gets a little springy. So now, we'll screw this back on here. Problem sorted. Thanks for watching.